Hi, how to convert a Microsoft Word document to PDF. Now there's two ways here. There's a way that you have Microsoft Office installed, and the other way is a free way that you can do it online within Microsoft Online. So say I've got this document here, I just double click on it to open it in Microsoft Office, as long as that is installed. Then you click on File menu, Save As, to your folder that you want to save to. And in here, you scroll down on this box here and you go to the PDF. And you click Save. And it's that simple. So now if I go into my folder here, you can then open it with Adobe Reader, for example, and that is your document in a PDF. Now say you don't have Office Online, somebody has sent you this file by, say, email. So what you can do is you go onto Google search, you search for Microsoft Office Online, okay, and you click on the top one, Office 365 login. In here you can either create an account, a new account which is totally free, or you can sign into your existing account. So I'm going to click sign in. So to get this document here into Office Online, you just drag and drop it in. So left mouse click, hold down and drag it across and then release the left mouse, and that will upload it to OneDrive and open it up for you. So now you've got the document online there ready. So you can click on File menu, Save As. You can download a PDF of this document. So download as a PDF. So it's downloaded it there ready. So you can now click on it and that is your document in PDF format. And that file is saved on your hard drive, and that's it. You can actually find the PDF copy of the file in the downloads section of your hard drive. So you go on to users and then your username and downloads, and you'll see the Word document in there which you can then open. That's it. Give it a try.